All right, welcome back everybody. This is the homework section of practice number 7. On the back side, I have given you 8 questions. Some you have to produce a sketch of a graph, and the others you're going to actually have to write the equation. So let's start with number 1. Right off the bat, I noticed the power of 2 is a quadratic function, which means this is going to make a parabola shape. It has an inside number of plus 2, which forces it to the left. Inside number makes a horizontal move. So it's moved to the left 2, and then I'm going to draw my shape, like so. For number 2, I actually already have a graph, and I'm expected to write the function itself. Well, this is a linear function. It makes a straight line, so I know that's just x to the first power. And this has been moved down, shifted down. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or negative 5. So I need an outside number of minus 5. Number 3, negative x to the third plus 1. Power of 3 means this is a cubic function. I know that cubic functions look like this. Outside number of plus 1 means it's been moved up 1. And the fact that it's negative means this has actually been flipped over as well. So it would be going like this. So right through my point, I complete my sketch. Something like that. Over here, I have a function that's been graphed. I can tell by the shape that this is a square root function. I also see that it's been flipped over. If you remember, the original square root function, this one, goes up and out. Our example, however, is going down, which means this is negative, and the negative goes outside the square root, not inside. It has not moved to the right or left, it's just been moved up 1, so it needs an outside number of plus 1. Nothing on the inside, but on the outside. Number 5, this is known as a cube root function. It's kind of like the sideways snake, looks like this. There are 2 shifts. An inside number of minus 1 has moved it to the right 1, and an outside number of negative 1 has moved it down 1. So it's actually going to be crossing through there. So it looks something like that. Number 6, this is the cubic function, the up and down snake, right? X to the third power would be involved. However, I notice that it has been moved to the right 1, 2, 3 places, and then up 1, 2, 3. So being moved to the right means it needs an inside number of minus 3. And being moved up 3 means it needs an outside number of positive 3. Number 7, this is the rational function, which normally looks like this. However, this one has an inside number of minus 4, which makes it go to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then an outside number of minus 2, which makes it go down 2. Because this is the reciprocal function, I'm going to go ahead and draw myself a new quasi x and y axis, like so. And because it's positive, it's going to stay in quadrants 1 and 3. So it looks something like this. Finally, number 8. This is definitely a parabola, so I know this is x squared involved, but I see that it has been moved to the left 1, 2 places, so I need an inside number of plus 2. It has also been moved down 1, so I need an outside number of minus 1. I also notice it's been reflected. It normally goes up, but now it's going down, which indicates that it is negative. All right, I hope that helps, and I will catch you guys in the next class.